To add to profile of Kirat sir, so he has done his graduation from Aston University and his masters from Warwick University. So he has traveled to so many countries for business purposes like from Germany, Japan, China for learning new techniques.
So I want to ask you that how challenging it was for you to enter into the corporate world.
Coming into a big family with big roles, big responsibilities, दूर से तो लगता है कि हाँ चलो he's somebody like this is born with a silver spoon, so it's easy, but it is not that easy. It challenges, everybody faces challenges, be it you are doing a job, be it you are doing your own business, challenges are there. For example, in my case, I will tell you some challenges which I faced were geographical location is also a big challenge. For example, if you are all your life you have stayed in a country where there is not that much cold weather and suddenly you are going to a country where is बहुत ठंड है जहाँ पे for your professional life, that will also be a challenge. If you have disagreement with some of your colleague or you have some arguments or sometimes two people don't like each other, you have to handle it, you have to address it. आप ये नहीं बोल सकते कि मैं इससे बात ही नहीं करूँगा, because then how will you work? You cannot work in a vacuum. You have to address those disagreements.
And my question is, what type of leadership styles do you have?
Personally, I think एक organization में bureaucratic leadership style रहना ही चाहिए, because everybody has to follow the hierarchy. That is how एक professionalism आती है organization में. That is how your subordinate will never bypass you if you're the leader or say manager or something. तो वो ब्यूरोक्रेटिक स्टाइल हमेशा एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में रहना चाहिए कि फॉलो द हायरार्की. सेकंड नंबर पे आई थिंक एक होता है जो जिसको हम कहते हैं विजनरी स्टाइल. सो आपको एज अ लीडर यू हैव टू बी अ विजनरी. सो वो आ जाता है जो बिजनेस प्लान आप बनाते हो. लेट्स से यू आर स्टार्टिंग अ जॉब बिजनेस, सो इफ़ यू आर मेकिंग अ बिजनेस प्लान, उसमें होता है ना विजन, मिशन. तो वो विजन आपका तभी उसमें आप डिराइव कर पाओगे अगर आपका खुद का विजन क्लियर है. सो योर टीम शुड बी इन ट्यून विद योर विजन.
So my question is, what approach do you follow to motivate your employees?
इन दी एंड ऑफ द डे तो हम सब पूरी दुनिया पैसे के लिए ही काम करती. सो बिगेस्ट मोटिवेटर आई थिंक इज़ फाइनेंशियल रिवॉर्ड. तो in our organization we use financial reward as a motivation pusher also, and जो एक tangible होती motivation, एक non tangible motivation होती है. So most of the times if you can derive a system to effectively reward the employees financially, nothing like it.
So it's a very one good take from what Kirat sir said. Constant touch with the employees.
Yes.
तो आप भी जब अपने जॉब में जाओगे, you become a team leader. Be with constant touch with your employees. कि कई बार क्या होता है कि कंपनी गलत हो जाती है ना. वो हो सकता है काम करना चाहता हूँ पर दूसरा जो है उसको प्रेशराइज करी जा रहा है कि नहीं छटकी करना काम करके, है ना. ऐसे भी होता है. So it's a very good take. Thank you, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good
My
morning.
name is Hemlata. I am from Phagwara. I have done my graduation in BBA from GN University. So my question is, as a leader, what qualities do you think are important in the corporate world?
Be it as a leader or as a team player, I think there are three qualities which I feel not only in corporate world are very important in your life. वो three P's are you have to be proactive, you have to be pragmatic, and you have to be patient. So as a team player and as a leader in corporate world and in life, you have to be proactive. हम we think कि लीडर बन गए, एंड ऑफ स्टोरी, अब टीम करे जो करे, ऐसा नहीं, इट्स नॉट दैट वे. यू हैव टू बी अ टीम प्लेयर. एक कैप्टन है, वो टीम का पार्ट है, वो कोई अलग से तो नहीं, सीन तो नहीं लगे उस पर, ही इज पार्ट ऑफ द टीम. सो एज अ लीडर, इफ यू आर अ टीम प्लेयर, your job is to make such an environment in which your team is able to perform at their fullest. ऐसा environment आपने create करना है अपनी टीम के लिए as a team member, जिसमें वो अपना 10,000% दे रहे हैं. So that is why a leader should be a team player also.
सर एक वर्ड में आपके जो रिप्लाई से लूँगा, जो भी डिस्कस्ड ऑल्सो सेल्स. तो जब सेल्स की बात आती है, जैसे को थोड़ा सा हमें बताना है कि सेल्स इज एवरीवेयर, whether you're in HR, finance, marketing. So your take on this?
My take on this कि first of all कोई काम छोटा नहीं होता है यार, है ना. हम तो ये सुनते ही रहते हैं कि कोई काम छोटा नहीं होता, बट प्रैक्टिकली आई नो कि इट्स नॉट easier said than done. So in starting of your career कोई जॉब छोटा नहीं होता. Just go out there and do it. It will help you. It will help in your journey. Rome wasn't built in one day. एक दिन में नहीं बना था रोम. सचिन तेंदुलकर एक दिन में नहीं बना था. I think you should take it. You will learn a lot. आप बाहर जाओगे कस्टमर के पास, कोई अगर आप डोर टू डोर, लेट्स से इफ यू आर गोइंग डोर टू डोर, कोई आपके मुंह पे डोर मार रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है, कोई आपकी बात ही नहीं सुन रहा है, that will build your character.
And so my question is, what is your approach toward challenges?
First of all, you have to get that into your head कि challenges तो आते ही रहेंगे, है ना. One thing which I feel, which I am also guilty of, जो मैंने भी अपने साथ किया है और मेरे को लगता है कि मैं भी गलत रहा हूँ उस जगह, वो सेल्फ पिटी मोड. आई थिंक दैट ऑलवेज हेल्प्स. आप थोड़ा उसको ब्रेक डाउन कर सकते हो अपने हेड में, या इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन राइट ऑल्सो कि how will I face this challenge, how will I step by step overcome it, how will I conquer it. So I think that is one thing I follow to take challenges head on.
तो सर जैसे you are supplying to Mahindra's, है ना, Sonalika, Ashok Leyland, every big company, any name we take in India. So do you face any challenge कि जैसे वो फादर से कर रहे थे, ग्रैंडफादर के टाइम से कर रहे थे, नाउ यू आर, इफ यू आर डीलिंग विद देम, तो कुछ उसके अंदर कुछ चैलेंजेस आए?
So yes, definitely. As you said, big shoes to fill. When your grandfather is so hardworking, when your father is so hardworking and so loyal to the customer, it is very hard to match the pace, those standards. It's very hard. Because as I said, when you are out of university, you are not in tune कि आपको पहले तो लगता है कि यार मुझे क्या ज़रूरत है ना, ऐसे नहीं होता. They are old school, their things, way of doing things is old. आजकल ऐसे नहीं होता है. But slowly you understand, you grasp and you mold yourself.
And so my question is, according to you, which skill sets are required for us in today's environment?
First of all, वही जो पॉइंट सर ने बोला, सेल्स. You should have selling skills. Again I will say, it is the most toughest job in this world. Most toughest. And secondly, today's world is very fast paced. बहुत तेज़ी से दुनिया चेंज हो रही है बिकॉज ऑफ मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स इतने बढ़ गए हैं. तो यू ऑल्सो हैव टू बी सोशल मीडिया savvy. You have to be there on LinkedIn, है ना. If you're a professional and you're seeking a career in something, you have to be on LinkedIn. वो भी एक social media platform ही है for working professionals. तो I think that is very important. One more thing is you should have a marketing mind. आपका marketing mind होना चाहिए आजकल के world में. In today's world, today's environment, if you have a marketing mind, I think think you will go places. One more I think you should have in this world is to be innovative. Think out of the box. अगर कोई चीज़ को करने का ढंग है, अगर if you think कि I can do more in less time by being innovative, innovating certain style of doing something, then why not?
So I take two very good notes from that. First is patience. जैसे सर ने बोला कि patience बहुत ज़रूरी है. As a leader, as a person, चाहे professional life में है, whether in personal life, so patience plays a very important role. And second, जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी सर की बात, to create a conducive environment for your team members, so they can perform.